Who is the world's largest land animal? Yes, it's elephant. And today we are going to draw elephants in different designs. So press the subscribe button, click the bell icon and start drawing the big animal. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to watch the special drawing related tip. Let's start. Today's drawing tip is very essential tip, especially for beginners. Tip is to start practicing the drawing of straight lines. Some people draw it as this. Some people draw it as this. Both the ways are wrong. The correct manner to draw a straight line is this, in a single stroke. Start drawing straight lines multiple times from left to right and then from right to left. After that, start with vertical lines from up to down and then down to up. Same way for slanting lines, up to down and down to up. Up to down and down to up. Keep practicing for number of times, at least 50 times each, to get your hand habitual for drawing straight lines correctly. I hope you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.